Hi friends, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing intraday stocks to trade tomorrow, and the date will be 27 July 2021, Tuesday. So let's get into the video. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement, if you check the price action in daily time frame, stock is in the bullish trend, right? So it is taking support of this and it is continuing its upward direction. If you observe the PDH, previous day high and today's high, it is almost the same. So you can, here the high will be showed. Those who don't know where the high will be showed, here it will be showed. Make sure, just wanted to state that. So if you observe the high of 23rd July, it is 7,638.95. If you observe today's high, it is 7,640. Only 0.5 paisa difference between this 2 days trading session high. It is 23rd July and 26th July. The high was almost the same, only 5 paisa difference, right? If you go to the 15 minutes time frame, after reaching this high, actually the stock has faced the resistance at this point, 7,640 level. At this point it has faced the resistance 2 times, right? Actually 3 times. Was first time resistance on 23rd July, and today it has faced 2 times resistance at the same point. So what I am expecting in tomorrow's trading session is, as the stock is in the bullish trend, I am expecting a breakout of this 7640 level. See, currently this is the consolidation phase. This is the 15 minutes time frame chart. If you check the last 6 to 7 candles, it is consolidated within this. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find this stock trading above this 7640 level, you can trade this on the buy side. Your stop loss will be this. It will be around 7,600. Okay. Simple strategy. The stock is in the bullish trend, and the previous day high and today's high is almost similar, just 5 paisa difference. 7640 was the high. If 7640 was broken, you can initiate a buy trade. The next stock is Ambuja Cements. Ambuja Cements is also in the bullish trend. In the bullish trend, if you observe these 2 candles, both are inside candles, right? This candle is inside this. This candle is inside this, within this candle. So back to back we had an inside candle. Today I was expecting a breakout of this, but as it was not playing above this, I didn't initiate a buy trade on this. So in tomorrow's trading session, I am feeling a good opportunity. I am finding a good opportunity in these stocks. So in the morning session itself, you can buy this stock. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. See, this is the resistance point where the stock was facing resistance. Sorry, not this one. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Tomorrow, if this was broken, the resistance will act as a support, right? So once after the breakout of this, with a good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a buy trade. I am expecting a move something like this tomorrow. The next stock is Inox Leisure. Inox Leisure, if you observe the stock, it was respecting this trend line multiple times, and it has given the breakdown of this, right? You can take this as a symmetrical triangle too. So it has given the breakdown of the symmetrical triangle, pull back, and it has to continue its downward direction, right? So as it is supposed to continue its downward direction, we got the confirmation that it is going to be in the sell trend with this today's candle. What candle is this? This is a shooting star candle, right? Shooting star candle, we have this shooting star candle right at the resistance. This was the previous support. Once it has given breakdown, this support will act as a resistance, right? So it has respected this. It got respected this resistance trend line, and the stock has fallen from that point and made a shooting star candle. In tomorrow's trading session, if you find the stock trading below 302, you can initiate a sell trade. Your take profit will be this level, 298 level, and your stop loss should be above this level, above 302. So once after the breakdown, do wait for the good candlestick confirmation in any of the stocks. It might be in Ultratech Cement or Ambuja Cements, or in these stocks. Once after the breakdown or breakout, do wait for the good candlestick confirmation and initiate your trades. The next stock is Motherson Sumi. Motherson Sumi, if you observe the price action in one daily time frame, see, it was respecting this support trend line multiple times, 4 times, 3 times it has respected this trend line. Currently the stock is at the same level, right? If you check the price action in 15 minutes time frame, currently the stock is at the support level. See, after the consolidation over here at this point, after this consolidation, finally the sellers came into the force and made the stock to fall till the support level, right? In tomorrow's trading session, you are supposed to trade the stock either on the buy side or sell side. In whichever direction the stock gives the confirmation, you are supposed to trade on that side. What I mean is, if the support is broken, if the support was broken, you can initiate a sell trade with a good candlestick confirmation. If this consolidation range is broken, you can initiate a buy trade. You can draw a trend line at this point, right? So as the stock is at the support level and we don't have any confirmation at the current point, as it was not given the breakdown of the support level, so we are not supposed to trade this on the sell side. Once it gives the breakdown of the support level, we can initiate a sell trade, or if it gives breakout of this consolidation phase and if you see the stock trading above this trend line, you can initiate a buy trade. I'm seeing both the opportunities in this stock. The next stock is Exide Industries. This is very small stock. Your stop loss and take profit should be your stop loss and take profit should be, your stop loss should be 50 points, 50 paise, and your take profit should be 1 rupee. So let me show you here. See, the stock was in the sell trend from this point. After that, it was consolidating within this, right? It was consolidating within this, and finally it has given breakdown of this, right? This was the consolidation zone. After the sell and consolidation, now it is continuing its sell direction, right? Within that, we had an additional confirmation to be on the sell side. We have an shooting star plus the previous swing point. What happens is, if the stock is in the sell trend and we find an pullback, small pullback, and if the stock reaches the same level, same swing point, same low of this swing point, normally generally what happens is, high probability will be there that it is going to give breakdown below this level. We can see a sharp sell momentum. Once it gives this, once it starts to trade below this previous swing point, as we have a shooting star candle and we have a swing point at this level, you can initiate a sell trade. You can initiate a sell trade below 178. Your stop loss should be 50 paise away from your entry points. If you enter at 178, your stop loss should be 178.5. And your take profit should be, let me go to the daily time frame, at this swing points. Your take profit should be at around 177. So I am expecting an bearish momentum in this stock. Once after the stock reaches this, gives breakdown of this 178 level, do wait for the small pullback. With the good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a sell trade. Your stop loss should be 50 paise and your take profit should be more than 50 paise. It should be 1 rupee. So those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade tomorrow. If you guys like the analysis behind those stocks, do like, share and subscribe my channel for the daily videos like this. Thank you.